As a custom spring manufacturer, we usually work with engineers that are looking for a specific application to fit their assemblies. I think the biggest mistake people make in buying springs is trying to cut costs and buy material that just doesn't have the stringent manufacturing requirements. Why buy a stock spring when you can buy a custom spring that works? Hi, my name is Brian Schaefer with Winamac Coil Spring. We manufacture springs that work. We specialize in large diameter springs, mostly for the agriculture market and then off-road vehicle. That's kind of where our specialty is, but we go down to real small springs, even into the medical industry. For springs, we can go up to 625. With Wireforms, we can go to 295 tempered and 625 untempered. We can do dual rate, triple rate compression springs for the suspension industry. We can do small torsion with special bends. We can do extension springs, multiple different styles, hooks, in configurations, Wireforms. We can do swedge, punch, nib, drill, and torsion springs. We specialize in agriculture torsion springs. This one goes in the peanut industry, but we can also do up to 3/4 of an inch on double torsion springs. We have the capability to do springs down to a 0.8 wire size, but then also with stabilizer bars, we can go up to 8/12. We have people in our shop that have been there for 40 some years. We have one guy who's been with us for 50 years coiling springs. So I think it's kind of an artistry. This is a medical instrument that is designed to take cartilage out of a knee, and we make a small torsion spring that goes inside of the device. Not all springs are the same. Some are very difficult to make and some are pretty easy. Some have very tight tolerances. There's several different things to consider. One is actually the type of material that you're using, but cycle life is definitely a concern. How many times that spring can be compressed. With our engineering design team, we can help you with your cost of your product because if we're involved early on in the process, we can work with you to make sure that the cycle life of the product is really going to get what you need. This is Ultra C. It's a new coating. It's a proprietary coating that we've patented. It's a dip coat process that is a covalent bond. And you haven't heard of this because it's a new product that we're getting ready to really introduce into the market. With the covalent bond, it bonds to the molecules of the steel with the molecules on the paint. It's very thin, but it gives you abrasion resistance and it gets anywhere water will get. It's for rust protection. In the coating world, you have your powder coat, your E-coat, especially with springs, and this will give you an alternate choice that will still give you about 240 hours of salt spray testing. So it has about a 7-year durability life. This particular spring is done with it as well. But you can paint over the top of it any color. It's a pigment base, so we can custom colorize the Ultra C as well. If you really want a spring that works, contact our engineering design team. We'll be happy to help you and we'll get you prototypes within 2 to 4 weeks.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.